The types of birds in the new novel, The Desert Heroes. Desert birds, water birds, raptors. Did you know there are more than 300 types of birds in Qatar? Let's check out how many the novel was able to mention. First, the white-eared bulbul. Marwan, the bulbul, is happy to see his best friend, Nader. Second, the little owl. Grandma Little Owl asks Nader to be careful and not wander far. Third, the desert finches. These friendly finches are a little grumpy with Nader's extra speed. Fourth, the laughing doves. Nothing is better than waking up to the beautiful melodies of the laughing doves. Fifth, the little grebes. Nada, Samar, and Sari are meeting Nader for the first time. Sixth, the masked shrikes. When you get lost in your migratory path, halt and ask for directions. Seventh, the desert larks. Sometimes, all you need in your journey is open ears and hearts. Eighth, the hoopoe. Beauty in the dry desert. This is it for this video. Stay tuned for part 2. And don't forget to check the novel's link in the description. Or Marwan, the bulbul, will get grumpy. Join these wonderful birds on the epic journey that happened 100 years ago in the Qatari desert led by Nader, the Arabian gazelle. Thanks for watching.